Welcome, in front of me is a myPhone City 2, and today I will show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, let's go into the settings, and from settings to storage, as you will see right here, and you should see your SD card. So you can tap on that, and then tap on three dots and go into storage settings, from where you'll find format options. Tap on that, gives you a message. Doing this will basically remove all the data from it, so if there's something that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, but I don't have anything that I want to keep, so format SD card. The process will begin. It's fairly brief one, takes only a couple seconds, and once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used once more, as it is right now. So just tap on done, and you're finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.